About that at 86, but with that mugginess, which has increased a little bit, you probably felt, I'm guessing, kind of like I did today. Wow, it's a little bit more summery than it has been. I also felt a really intense sun rays, and of course that is something that we get to as we move into May and then beyond into June, July, August. Temperatures right now in the 70s, and our winds have been from the south, southeast, not very strong. Our satellite and radar imagery showing we're quiet after we did have a flare up of just a few small showers and a couple of storms outside of our area near Baton Rouge. Look at this mess of storms, tornado warnings, tornado watches, and severe thunderstorm watches. And again, this is just an absolutely big area, giant chunk of Texas that's watching for these storms tonight. We just don't see this making its way here, and we've been actually seeing this last week. This has been a big trend just right across the plains and the midsection of the nation. A lot of ugly storms, but we've just been a little too far south to really see much of that get toward us. Any fronts kind of staying to the north of us, except for one that's going to be moving in next weekend, and that one will actually bring really nice and kind of cooler weather for next weekend compared to what we've gotten this weekend, which isn't terrible, I think, but we've all been feeling that increased feeling a little bit more like summer. North and south tonight will be in the 70-degree range. Tomorrow I have us right at 86 again. Slight chance for a shower or two, so your final day of Jazz Fest forecast hasn't been terrible, I guess, over the course of the 2 weeks, but tomorrow looks like a pretty good end to it. It will be hot. It will be kind of muggy feeling. We will have clouds mixed with sun, and I do have a 20% chance for a couple of showers, so you may want to be prepared just in case, but not really a big rain chance for tomorrow. This is 9 a.m. tomorrow. Fast forward to lunchtime. This model does have a couple of brief showers passing by, but not too much, as you can see. This takes us to 7 p.m., just looking partly to mostly cloudy. And almost the same thing is expected for Monday. A few showers maybe out and about in the first part of the day. This is by 10, 11 o'clock. And then moving through the afternoon, possibly a shower or storm. But overall, the rain chance pretty slim at 20%. And then this happens. You can see this ridge of high pressure building in. That's going to keep our rain chances probably even lower for most of the upcoming week. And that means, of course, we're going to be feeling hotter. So more summer-like, even more so than what we've seen so far this weekend and so far this year. We do have our first 90-degree day. It looks like that will probably happen this week. On average, that happens around May 18th. So we'd be a little ahead of schedule for that. But that cool front next weekend, I'm pretty excited about it. By the way, back to summer really quickly. Not only is our weather giving us the signs, but we're getting pretty close to some of those big summer milestones. The end of school, 19 days. I put that at May 23rd, which is some schools. I know different ones have slightly different days. 28 days until hurricane season starts on June 1st, and then 47 days until the summer solstice, the middle of summer there, the official start of summer on June 20th of this year. Looking at that humidity forecast as we jump ahead to what it's going to be like this week, it does stay pretty high, actually, a rather humid feel through Friday. And then look at this, boom, it drops off Saturday and Sunday. I have a slight rain chance Friday and Saturday. We may see a shower or two as this next front moves in, but look at this drier air for next weekend. I'm really excited. Maybe dew points back in the 50s, so that kind of cool spring-like sort of feel as opposed to the summery mugginess that we've been experiencing lately. You can see the 90 there on Thursday, Friday 91. Again, our average is 83 for the high, so when you get to the 90-degree mark, that's kind of around those daily record highs. So we'll see if we break a couple of those records later on this week. Certainly feeling hot through Friday before the cool down.